Hey my natural beauties, wagwan, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks guys so much for watching this video today. Today I'm going to be reviewing some jewelry pieces for you guys from METALTREE98. It's going to be a unboxing slash try on type of video. You guys are gonna love it. Before we get started, y'all already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Go ahead, give me a thumbs up, and also the look a bell when they don't just click that for me so you get notified every single time I put out a video. All right,
perfect.
So today I'm filming this video in the car. You guys can tell where I am, and that's because I wanted to do this in a space where I could just legit just show you guys the stuff. Like, I didn't want it to be like, oh my god, a setup, you know what I mean? I want you guys to see the stuff. I'm outside, so I'm getting natural light and all that stuff. I want you guys to see all of that, as well as how the jewelry will look at night. It is now evening, and I thought it was just the perfect time to make this video for you guys. All right, so I'm really torn between lights on or off. This one gives me a vibe. Put my chair back a little bit so you guys can see me. So, y'all already know what it is. The Glam Boss is about to get it off and popping in sheer. Okay. Alright, so I want you guys to just have an open mind for this video. They did send me male jewelry, but these pieces I feel like can be unisex. So, you guys can be the judge of that. So this is the package. Of course, customs would have to do one tear it up and do all kind of stuff. But anyways, inside is this thing. And of course, I already opened it because two other pieces I already tried on today. So I think I'm going to just go through those pieces first. There's a little jewelry bag in here. At first when I saw it, I thought something was missing. But I guess it's just for the safekeeping of probably your favorite of, you know, whatever you bought. And I think you probably get it complimentary when you order jewelry from their website. So I don't even know what to go through first, guys. Alright, so I got a couple stuff. Well, some of the stuff, as I told you guys, not in the box. Some of them don't even have like boxes. So alright, I'm gonna start. The official name for these products will be on the screen, simply because I really can't remember what the hell they're called. I'm sorry, but I really can't. So let me start with these two pieces first, because I wore these in a previous video, which you guys will see before you see this one. Now these are both gold plated chains. All right, so this one, the pendant, the crucifix, it came by itself. Right, and it has a classic chain link design. You guys will see that. So freaking sexy, guys. Like, focus, bro. There we go. Classic crucifix. Let me try it on, show you guys what this one looks like. And I will give you guys close up of all of these jewelry pieces, but I'm just showing you guys what they look like on me. So this is how far down, my boobs are right here, obviously. This is how far down the chain comes on me, a female. But what I do, or what I did in the video today, I went ahead and just doubled up like kind of like stacked them. It looks cute that way when you don't have one chain on, you have two. And this one, the link, this is like the wrap chain link. If you know like jewelry, you know this one too. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this on with this one, just to kind of give you guys options. Alright, so I like to stack them like this. All the links to these products, by the way, will of course be in the description bar, as well as the link to the website, and you guys can go ahead. The one thing I really love about this website is the fact that everything on there is legit affordable and it's high quality jewelry. I'm just gonna put that out there. So if you're looking for something high quality and you don't want to break the bank, this is where you go. So this is the first jewelry piece. Alright, this is another necklace, gold as well, gold plated, sorry. This is just a longer, thicker version of this one. So technically I feel like a female can definitely wear this. So one of the items was these stud earrings that I have on. You guys can't even see it because I'm so far away. But what's really cool about these, it comes with the screw-on back attachment, so that way you will never lose the back of your earrings again. And I'm going to show you guys that up close, of course, and also the detail on these pieces as well will be on your screen right now. These are super, super cute. They're like blinged the hell out studs, like at night, bro. I want this video to be as detailed as possible. One thing I must also point out, guys, all your jewelry pieces come with extra stones just in case any of them happen to fall out. You get a little bag of extra stones. Focus. Yeah, you get a bag of extra stones to replace the ones that fall out if you do have any. This also comes in very handy. So of course, all the jewelry pieces, they come wrapped in plastic to protect them while they're being transported to you. Alright guys, this is the next item, and it looks like a choker to me, so I'm gonna try it on and see how it looks. Alright, there we go. This is hot. Yo guys, this is fire. I'm definitely wearing this shit right here. Look at this, bruh. This is so cute. And I wonder if I should try the silver one on, because I also got it in silver. So I got the 18-inch in the silver and the 16-inch in the gold, and this is how the 16-inch looks. I don't think I have a fat neck, so you know, you can kind of gauge it that way to see how it would fit you, but I would recommend, to stay safe, you want a choker that actually fits, get the 18. This is a 16. Guys, I don't want to take this one off. I think it's my favorite. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the 18-inch, which is really long compared to the 16. Let me just take this off right quick. I'm gonna have to put this back on because I really want a picture in it, but at this time I can't navigate my phone and just do everything for you guys at the same time. So alright guys, this is the 18-inch. I'm trying to move a little closer so you guys can see. This is the silver 18-inch. I really love this one too. I haven't rocked silver in a while, but this is the last and final item, and I'm going to love this. I just know I'm gonna love that one here. This is gonna be like everyday, not really everyday bling because I don't go out, but like everyday glam bling. Like, I have a feeling this right here is going to be my favorite piece next to the crucifix and the other thing, because I really love those two. Like a watch clasp. Of course, you gotta make sure it's laying flat. Guys, this is my favorite. Oh my god. Guys, look how cute this is. Are you serious? Are you for real? Look, let me scoot a little closer so you guys can see the detail on these diamonds. Like, look. This is by far my fave. If I got like a silver crucifix to put on this, that's it. But I still love this. I still love this. I still love the crucifix on this. If I had a silver crucifix to match this one, that would be so great. But this is definitely my favorite piece. It's nice. So you see what I mean when I say these pieces can be unisex? They don't necessarily have to be male jewelry. Like, I'm a female and I would rock all this shit. Like, all of it. So, like, talk to me, girl. Or guy. These are really hot. Like, I can't deny. Oh God. Listen, METALTRee98, you guys are awesome. You guys are bomb. Like, I cannot even, like, I can't. So I'm just gonna kind of like give you guys a rundown of all the pieces again. Of course, the official names for all these items will be down in the description bar, so you guys can check them out. Like, bro, sis. Alright guys, so this is a rundown of all these gorgeous pieces that I got from METALTRee98. I'm gonna have their direct link down below in the description bar, as well as a link to all these products. You guys can go ahead and check them out. Don't forget these bomb ass studs, males, females, they have literally everything for you guys. These items are definitely unisex. They don't have to be for male or female. Once you like the style and the cut and the construction of the jewelry, you can definitely rock it. I'm pretty sure this piece right here I can definitely rock with literally anything, whether I want to dress it up or dress it down. It's just like, it's nice and subtle, but at the same time it still adds that pow that you need, you know, to bring off an outfit. I really love that. METALTRee98, bro, get your life. Get your life. Yes. I just hope you guys can see through this review that these are really authentic pieces. Once again, if you guys are looking for authentic, high quality, affordable jewelry pieces, check out METALTRee98, guys. The link, of course, once again, will be down below in the description bar. Don't forget to follow my socials at NaturallyMsToya on everything. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.